Hi everyone, just letting you know I've had a bit of a win and finally found a YZ80H, a 1981 model. I already had the engine exhaust from one of my other videos that I collected, thought I'd eventually find something, and then just the other day a rolling frame popped up that had everything I needed except for the engine and exhaust. So I picked it up, brought it home. The plastics are a bit powdery, but the front and the tank will clean up alright. The side guard there is not too bad. The rear guard's got a crack in it, it's been splintered up, and the side guard near the exhaust is all perished. I'll need to find another one day. So I've just sort of put it together just to see how it runs, and still going to need a chain to just give it a go through the gears to make sure that works. So I just want to make sure what works and what doesn't before I pull it apart. So what else has it got? So I just had to put a temporary cap on the spark plug just to get it to go. Carby leaked everywhere, so I gave that a carby clean, and same with the bottom of the tank. Air cleaner, need to get a new one of them, but the air box is all good and the rubber boot at the back's good. The front one I'll have to get a new one. All the suspension seems to be freed up, it just doesn't seem to have much oil in it. Still got the alloy wheels and they're dated correctly. They should be got the 80 there, meaning it's an 81 model. Got a bit of surface rust up the top of the forks, but the bottom looks alright. So I had these funny handlebars that come with, that look like they're off a pit bike or something. So it didn't come with any handlebar throttle. We've got the cable for the clutch, there's nothing to put it to. So I'll just give it a start up and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it won't be too hard. Well, it runs. Now you took a few kicks and just put a bit of fuel down the spark plug. Now have to put a new one in. Turn the idling up a bit. The engine sounds pretty good actually. Let's give it a rev. Keeps the bog down a little bit up top, might be jetting. The engine does sound a bit rattly now that it's warming up, so after the top end. Could even be something in engine still. Usually after a while, been sitting, the engine still pop out of the crank. Turn the fuel off and let it drain out. sucking air from somewhere though. Oh well, thanks for watching. Be looking forward to doing some work on this one, so don't forget questions. Thanks for watching.